Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 9th standard. Today I will discuss about the tropical monsoon region of part 2, that is wherever I will discuss about the natural precipitation and human response. First part, this is very long chapter, that's why I have divided into two parts. So first part already the climate I have discussed, now the natural precipitation. Natural precipitation depends on the amount of rainfall received by the southwestern monsoon winds in the summer season only. Most of the trees grow up to height between 12 to 30 meter. Trees are mainly deciduous which shed their leaves in the dry season to prevent the loss of moisture, and they can withstand the drought condition, and there are a wide variety of vegetation. The forests are more open, less dense. The important valuable trees are teak, shal, acacia, sandalwood, bamboo, maua, jamun, neem, sisam, and deodar. And they are known as the tropical monsoon deciduous forest. And here mainly deciduous forest means there is not different types of different species of trees we have found who do not shed their leaves at a particular time. The trees receiving heavy amount of rainfall in the like western slopes, western Ghats, Kerala, western Maharashtra, western Karnataka, they are having tall trees and vegetation, tall broad leaves. The timber nearly there is hardwood trees we have found, and this is commercially more important than the equatorial region. Next we will see what the trees are found here. Teak wood and tidal forest are generally found. Teak wood, everybody you know, that is very essential, durable and valuable trees, and the teak is used for the making furniture and for shipbuilding. Myanmar is famous for the production of teak, and also here found in the tidal forest, because tidal means it is affected by the tides, and the tidals Ganga Brahmaputra delta we have found there. So tidal forests are found. These forests grow in the deltaic plains along with the east coast of India. Sundari tree, mangrove trees are also found here in this region. That is in Sundarbans in Ganga Brahmaputra region. Next we will see the human response. Monsoon lands receiving good amount of rainfall, long growing season and fertile river plain and favorable for the agriculture. Thus, they are among the most densely populated regions of the world, and agriculture is the main occupation of this region because there is heavy rainfall, and heavy rainfall means enough agricultural field. The main crops are there tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, then oilseeds, pulses, etc. Rice is the staple food, and the crops are also grown in the commercial basis to earn foreign exchange. Iron and steel industries, manufacturing industries, heavy based in these industries contribute to the economy of the developing countries. Most of the monsoon countries are developing rapidly, especially the South Asian countries playing an important role in the world economy. I think it will be helpful for you. This chapter, natural precipitation and human response. I am finishing this chapter. Read well and hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you.